ngibuyele emsebenzini ngisebenze ngi-deployed ukuthi ngisebenze ku freeway direction N3 direction south, so ngangicover leyo party leyo. So sisebenza kanjalo ngangasebenzi ngi-1 ke ngisebenza ne-colleague yami. Okay, ngistophe imoto, umuntu wakhona busy kwi-cellphone. So mangimstopa ngikuye ngim-approach, kwakuyi-term yami ukuthi ngibhale like masibone i-offense kubhala umoya and then ku-change futhi masibone i-offense kubhala umoya. So that term kwakungeyami ukuthi mina engihlayo ngibhale. So ngim-approach ke lo mlungu lo ngimtshela ukuthi I think you know the reason why we are stopping you. Athi yeah, I think I know officer, I'm sorry man. Ngithi what is it? Athi to use my cell phone while driving it correct. And it's a fine ukwenza lonto lo ayivumeleke ngimbonise i-traffic fine yomuntu ebengade ngimbhalile ukuthi yabona ukuthi it's an offense nangu ngembhalile. Then besathi ngiyaxolisa ngawe, it's because of estolo engisebenzelayo man kunenkinga, achaze nje inkinga yakhe bese ngithi kuye I'm going to give you a verbal warning, ngikhomba ngomoya, I'm pointing you with my finger, would never ever do it again. Yabona. Then athi okay ngiyabonga kakhulu. Athi Ishman yazi ngicela igama lakho yabo. Ngithi why? Athi ngifuna ukubhalela umphathi wakho ngimtshela ukuthi kunama officer alalelayo awavela issue nje i-traffic fine, alalela isikhalo somuntu then bese bakunikeze i-verbal warning. Ngithi no, there's no need of igama lami, na registration plate yemoto engihamba ngayo ngathatha yona, so bayazi ukuthi ubani osebenzisa le moto le. Athi okay ngiyabonga. So only to find out ukuthi uzohamba afike emsebenzini a report ukuthi ngithathe imali emgwaqeni like ngimcela imali into kanjalo. So emsebenzini ke bavule i-case ukuthi the integrity azange ngize ngibe nayo yomsebenzi ongosebenzayo, bavule i-case then kuvule i-case na criminal. And then emsebenzini ngi-found guilty okuqala ukuthi okay nginicala, so kumele ngimiswe manje emsebenzini. Ngimiswe ke emsebenzini. Okay, icala lihambe emsebenzini maloko qhubeka lokho i-union
usumile ke manje emsebenzini.
Sengimile emsebenzini. I-union
sanibonani babukeli bethu emakhaya. Igama lami ke ngokwazi ngakansele ngiphuma phansi lenkandla Mahlatha Mnyama, nginibingelela lapha sekwini podcast lapho khona sisuke sikhuluma khona ngezinto ezihlukahlukene ezidinga imphefumulo nemoya nezinye izinto nje ezilimaza umuntu nesiqu sakhe nomzimba. Nginibingelela nje angihambi ngedwa, ngihamba nodadewethu lapha njengoba nimbona ukuthi akavelile ebusweni ufihliwe ngenxa zezinto esizosikhuluma, but even though zingekho sensitive kangako ukuthi usifihlele ukuthi mhlambe kunezinto akacabanga ukuthi zizomphazamisa noma azilona iqiniso ngezinto akazozikhuluma, usifihlele ukuthi kunabantu naye akangafisi ukuthi belimazeke ngokuthi uphumele obala because uzele unezingane une-family akazama ukuyi-protector nanento akazoyikhuluma icayi ngendlela ukuthi akafisi ukuthi abantu bembone ngaleyo ndlela, which I hope ngolunye usuku siyombona yonke into masi-clear isi-right. Ungabingelela ababukeli bethu emakhaya dadewethu.
Okay, ngiyanibingelela ababukeli emakhaya.
Mhlambe azivele sisuke sihlalo dabeni ungeze ukuyichaza. Kungani sihlangane lapha sokhuluma ngani, kwenze njani?
Okay, sihlangane lapha ngodaba olenzeka ngo-2006.
Yes.
Ngangisebenza, in fact yaqala ngo-2003 lento, but ngizobuyela ku-2006.
Yes.
Uqala kwami ngisebenzela umasipala wase eGuruling. That was 2002. Yes. Then 2003 I was involved kwi-car accident ngisemsebenzini, then ngalimala both legs ne hip ne nengalo ya dislocate from kwi-joint.
Yes.
Then ngayolaliswa esibhedlela sase Alberton Union. Ngahlala 6 weeks ngikukhoma, ngakwazi ngiphefumulela imchini. Ngayenziwa i-track, bayibiza ukuthi i-track lento ukuthi bavule entameni bakufaka ama-tube la.
Yes.
So ngaphuma lapho ngifakwe ama-internal fissure, kusho ukuthi insimbi ehamba phakathi emkantsheni kwi-bone marrow, bayibophe ngama-screw, real screw emaceleni. So ngaphuma lapho ngahlala unyaka. Odokotela bathi kuzomela ukuthi ngiphinde ngibuye futhi zizokhishwa le insimbi uma ithambo selihlangene, ngoba umsebenzi ongusebenzayo ungane ngaphinde futhi ngibe involved kwi-accident, then le insimbi zingakhosa more damage ethambeni. So emva konyaka ngabuyela ngayokhipha zona le insimbi na screw. Okay, kufike unyaka, ngoba ngahlala unyaka ngingasebenzi, ngingakwazi ukuhamba, ngihamba nge-wheelchair, ngayiswa eKensington ngifundiswa ama-physiotherapists ukuthi ngiphinde ngikwazi ukuzokamukela kule simo sengiguso, sengihamba nge-wheelchair manje. Ngizamukela ukuthi bengifundisa ukuthi kumele ngene kanjani ebhavini njengoba ngihamba ngesitulo lesi somuntu ongakwazi ukuzihambela. Okay, ama-senses azabuya, balokhu bengifundisa khona lapho. Phinde ngiphume for i-weekend ngivakashele ekhaya, ngiphinde ngibuyelele esibhedlela futhi ngiqhubeke nama-physio. Okay, baze bangidischarge-ke. Mabengidischarge ukuthi senyazama manje ukuhamba, but angakahambi kahle, like ngisahamba ngiyinduku. Lokhu nyaya-ke kuma-check-ups babona ukuthi ithambo liya ngokuhlangana. Okay, kwaze kwahlangana-ke, ngaphinde ngabuyela sengiyokhipha-ke insimbi. Then that was 2003. 2004 ngihlele angisebenzi, ngizinesa mina ukuthi njengoba ngi-involve engozini. 2006 ngibuyele emsebenzini. Ngibuyele emsebenzini, ngisebenze ngi-deployed ukuthi ngisebenze ku-freeway.
Yes.
Direction N3 direction south, so ngangicover leyo party leyo.
Yes.
So as sisebenza kanjalo ngangasebenzi ngi-one gang, ngisebenza ne-colleague yami. Okay, ngistophe imoto, umuntu wakhona uyibusy kwi-cellphone.
Yes.
So mangimstopa ngikuye ngim-approach, kwakuyi-term yami ukuthi ngibhale like masibone i-offense kubhala umoya and then kuchange futhi masibone i-offense kubhala umoya. So that term kwakungeyami ukuthi mina engihlayo ngibhale. So ngim-approach-ke lo mlungu lo, ngimtshela ukuthi I think you know the reason why we are stopping you. Athi yeah, I think I know, officer. I'm sorry man. Ngithi what is it? Athi yeah, to use my cell phone while driving it correct. And it's a fine ukwenza lonto lo, ayivumeleke. Ngimbonise i-traffic fine yomuntu ebengade ngimbhalile ukuthi yabona ukuthi it's an offense, nangu ngembhalile.
Yes.
Then besathi ngiyaxolisa ngawe, it's because of esitolo engisebenzelayo man, kunenkinga, achaze nje inkinga yakhe. Bese ngithi kuye, I'm gonna give you a verbal warning. Ngikhomba ngomoya, I'm pointing you with my finger, would never ever do it again. Yabona. Then athi okay, ngiyabonga kakhulu. Athi Ishman, yazi ngicela igama lakho, yabo. Ngithi why? Athi ngifuna ukubhalela umphathi wakho, ngimtshela ukuthi kunama officer alalelayo, awavela issue nje i-traffic fine, alalela isikhalo somuntu, then bese bakunikeze i-verbal warning. Ngithi no, there's no need of igama lami, na registration plate yemoto engihamba ngayo ngathatha yona, so bayazi ukuthi ubani osebenzisa le moto le. Athi okay, ngiyabonga. So only to find out ukuthi uzohamba afike emsebenzini a report ukuthi ngithathe imali emgwaqeni, like ngimcela imali into kanjalo. So emsebenzini ke bavule i-case ukuthi the integrity azange ngize ngibe nayo yomsebenzi ongosebenzayo. Bavule i-case, then kuvule i-case na criminal, and then emsebenzini ngi found guilty okokuqala ukuthi okay nginicala so kumele ngimiswe manje emsebenzini
Okay, yes.
ngimiswe ke emsebenzini okay icala lihambe emsebenzini maloko qhubeka lokho iunion
Usumile ke manje emsebenzini?
sengimile emsebenzini
Okay.
iunion kamasipala lokho yangirepresenta makungama date ukattend the case departmental.
Yes.
Okay. Ihambe icala then bese bathola ukuthi anginacala ngiwin case. So isale criminal. So attend eGermiston regional court.
Yes.
Regional court bangithole nginecala ngenze appeal eJoburg.
Okay.
eJoburg
Job High Court.
High Court.
Yes.
Ngiye lapho nabo bangifound guilty. Ukuthi ngeziphilile because of I feel ukuthi it was unfair for me. Azange ngize ngitholakale nemali or kube ne witness ethi yes ngambona wayithatha or kube nama cameras ukuthi bangithola kanjani guilty concerning the case le really namanje I'm still puzzled. Yes.
So kuza kanjani ukuthi emsebenzini bekuthole ungekho guilty beze bekuphinsela emsebenzini but eHigh Court bekuthola ukuthi unecala lokuthi beze bekugwebe?
Ile ngingayazi engifuna usizo kubantu abazi about the law ukuthi bangangisiza kanjani because really emsebenzini manje after ukuthi bangimisile then icase yaqhubeka bangi-reinstate ukuthi ngaqhubeka ngisebenza. So sengiyaboshwa ke manje iHigh Court bathe I'm guilty. Ngaboshwa banginikeza 5 years. I5 years akhona it's with the 2761I ukusho ukuthi ngizokwenza 9 years then 9 months and then bese ngiyasigna le minye iminyaka. It happened ukuthi kwakuna angisazi ukuthi babe remuneration angisazi ukuthi babe biza in kungenkathi inkosi uDalinjebo naye wayese eboshiwe. So wayesehliswa lesigwebo automatically nami sayehliswa ke so ngicina ukusayina it was 2022 ugcina kwami ukusayina. Yes. Lokho ngiphume ngo-2019.
Okay. So le case iyenzeke ngo-2006.
Yes.
Yaze yakugweba kumuphi unyaka?
Ngo-2018.
Yakugweba ngo-2018. Ukugcina kwakho ukusebenza emsebenzini ugcina kumuphi unyaka?
Ngo-2018.
Ugcina ngo-2018, which means into eyenzeke ngo-2006 yaze yayophetha ngo-2018.
Ngo-2018. Nakhona lapho emsebenzini njengoba ngisho ukuthi ngangisebenza nga-resigna emsebenzini sengiboshiwe ngise-Sun City ukuthi manje ngokuthi kwakuphakathi kokubili ukuthi emsebenzini ukuthi ngiyaxoshwa ukuthi ngiabscondile ngoba phela angirepotanga ukuthi why ngingeze emsebenzini or ngiyathuleka nje ukuthi ngisejele. So ngabona ukuthi ngiyokhuluma ne-social worker yase-Sun City ukuthi ngicela bangenzele incwadi ngoba befuna ukwazi mangithumela umntanami ukuthi uphi uyephi. Then kwamele ukuthi bangenzele incwadi ukutshengisa ukuthi angeke akwazi ukuzoresigna yena personally due to the fact that uboshiwe use-Sun City then babhala leyo ncwadi leyo beyiqondisa kumasipala. So ngine-criminal record ngento engingayenzanga that I feel ukuthi really
kufanele kuqhamuke ubulungiswa.
Yes.
So now i-lawyer yakho or whoever ekumele ngaleso sikhathi kukhonani okwavela ukuthi no icala likudle based on this and that and that?
Not at all. Akukho.
Abasemsebenzini okuyibona abakuthola unganacala. Now inkantolo mesithola necala. Ukhona nowasemsebenzini owayekumele on your behalf to say thina ngaphakathi emsebenzini silwenzile ucwaningo saphenya sathola ukuthi umsebenzi wethu akanali icala. Therefore thina emsebenzini njengoba simthole nganacala simele on this matter. Ikhona umuntu ekumele from emsebenzini bakhona nama eyewitness or people ababe stand against you saying uyithathile le mali?
Okay, emsebenzini akekho weza ecourt ngaphandle ukumuntu engayiyayi ngimbone yilo waye investigator emsebenzini angazi noma igama lakhe ngalisho na.
Ungalisho igama, it's fine.
Okay, so uyena umuntu engangimbona busy ngoba icase abantu abangibopha iIPID. So iwitness eyayikhona makwenzeka lesigameko lesi ubaba engangidriver naye on that particular
colleague.
Yes, bambiza nasecourt ukuthi azopha ubufakazi bakhe ukuthi kwenzakalani ngalolu suku lo. Weza babembuza imibuzo eminye yakhona engisayikhumbulayo ukuthi bambuza ukuthi umbonile eyithatha imali na.
Yes.
Waphika wathi azange azayithatha, angimbonanga eyithatha. Wathi ukube ngabe bombonile eyithatha imali bozokwenza njani. Wathi bengizombopha ngokuthi lento leyo ayikho emthethweni. Yabo. So that was the only witness enganginayo on that particular day. And then esayidini lika lo owangibophisa ubufakazi abunikeza yile bethi newspaper abhala kuyo i-registration plate number. Mina mangimtshela ukuthi efuna igama lami ngathi angikwazi, ngathi bhala nayo
registration.
Yes, ngathi nama contact numbers ngoba imoto sasama ibhaliwe.
So wena wamnika imvumo ukuthi bhala nansi number plate iphinde futhi ubhale nelokhuzana nenamba yasemsebenzini. So now enkulumeni esizwile noma okwasixoxela wona mosibhalela ukuthi kwakumlungu omhlophe wakubophisa, and lo mlungu omhlophe wakuveza inkantolo noma wakuveza ku statement sakhe so ukuthi kwakuyinomngani owayesebenza noma oyiphethe ngaleso sikhathi emsebenzini. Mhlawumbe mangasothi uyayichaza leyo background so that umuntu osekhazo understand ukuthi icase yakho maybe kwaba khona ukwenzelela ngokwebala noma mhlawumbe ngokuthi umuntu okubophisile umuntu mhlawumbe wazana nomuntu othile owayephethe ngaleso sikhathi.
Okay. Ebufakazini bakhe upkeeper kule departmentally ngoba angikhumbuli echaza lokho ecourt. Yes, but departmental washo ukuthi yes wayezana no kusho ukuthi wayazana nomkhulu ophethe high ranking officer wase khona ekuruleni. Yes, so waya kuye ngiyakhumbula igama lakhe but now angikwazi ukumusho
lo
ayakuye ukuthi ubani wayomtshela ukuthi mina ngithathe imali.
Not fine, mhlawumbe ungalisho igama la lo mkhulu. Yes,
Labo Scatman, something like that, which I'm not good. Kwakuyibhunu,
kwakuyelinye ibhunu elalithethe ekuruleni ngaleso sikhathi. Okay, so icase reporter umlungu uyireporter komumlungu
umngani wakhe
akathi umngani wakhe
kusho yena kuma statement ikhona leyo nto leyo ukuthi uyasho straight ukuthi wa reportela umlungu by the same name of Labo Scatman umngani wakhe.
So now uthe icala lakhe liphethwe isibani
iIPID.
Yes, IPID kumbukelo sekhaya mhlawumbe unga-understand singayifanisa ne-FBI. It's a high rank like uhlobo lomthetho noma uhlobo lamaphoyisa le phezulu. Not just angadili nje nobugebengwana obuncane, adila nobugebengu obuserious. Sikhuluma ngamalini la akathi wakunika yona.
Uthi wanginikeza 100 rand ngamukela 100 rand.
Wakumukela 100 rand.
Yes.
So in normal cases you'll find oqebe noma ama-hawks elandelela ubugebengu obukhulu. Uthola iFBI naphesheya kuyiyona edila nobugebengu obukhulu obule ukuthi umuntu engaze kuthula ndlela lobugebengu because icase yakho yayinento ukuthi isuka kumuntu othi wena wenza into enje eyibika komunye umuntu omkhulu bebala now uyifica isiphethwe izandla ezinkulu and ngolunye usuku abantu mhlambe mase icase iqhubeka bawugcina bebona ukuthi yahamba yazafikela kuphi because uthe usixoxela icase yakho ayikhuluma ngisho naseredweni ko Metro.
Yes, nasemaphepheni.
Yaphuma ngisho nasemaphepheni even if moyibheka ku Google le case ikhona ngiyibhekile. So lokho ngesingawe kwakukutshela ukuthini? Do you have any explanation ukuthi why case yakho yazathathwa abantu abakhulu kangaka, why case yakho yathathwa phezulu ngo100 rand nakhona okunganabo ubufakazi ukuthi uthathile?
Ngempela nami I'm still puzzled because of mhlawumbe kungabe bengi a high ranking officer as well ukuthi mhlawumbe bayilandelela kangaka ukuthi umuntu ophethe amanye amaphoyisa. Yes, so I was just a constable bengana rank yabo. so
yayikho into eyithi kungani case yakhe isithathelwa phezulu kangaka
yes.
Even giving you 5 years now sasibuya kulo 5 years abokupha wona giving you 5 years after lento ezo 2006
correct
uzokugweba 2018 we winile case emsebenzini we win ngo 2009
yes nga reinstate
ngo 2009 emsebenzini
yes.
So who's ubani lo okhipha pushing this case to say ayize igwebe who's the person behind this case ukuthi ayikhambi izigwebe ubani osayiqhubaya ngaleso sikhathi
angazi ngoba kwafika i-provincial officers endlini nginomusa so kwafika ebusuku nje ngezokuyahuda mayihuda ngiyochecka angitshela ukuthi he is from a provincial from Joburg so uze ngale case le ga 2006 so ngiyafuneka bekade sebethi bazoya na kwi human resource yasemsebenzini bayo stopa isalary yami ngoba angitholakali because of yathi mayisiqedwe kwenzeka ngashintsha from la ngisebenza khona ku Freeway ngayosebenza like ngitshintsha ama office amaningi nje uyabona ukuthi angisafuni into engihlanganisa ne public directly uyabona so ngashiya nje emgwaqeni ngasebenzele office so wangitshela ukuthi ngiyafuneka ngelanga so ecourt that's when mangiye court sebengifound guilty ke
so I attenda ikhathe ngakanani court
I'm not quite sure from 2000 yes
from 2009 look attending Kantolo okay so now before sifike kutheni impilo isenjani ke manje after ukuphuma ejele let's asixoxe ngesimo sasejele first experience ejele zonke izinto ezenzeke ejele maybe umunye umuntu ongazi ukuthi from being a worker knowing to be independent having your own life minding your own business now you find yourself ngecala ongalenzanga lokuthu umukela 100 rand ongawumukelanga usithola super 5 years esandleni with a criminal record injani impilo ejele what's happening ejele
ejele akumnandanga
yes
akusin indawo okungahlala khona abantu bakhona ke abantu asebelijwayele ejele mawuzwa bexoxa ukuthi useyaphinda kaningani and ngama petty crimes ngayithi petty crimes like ukujunja isitolo shoplifting mawuzwa futhi kakhulukhulu ilabantu abaphuma ngaphandle busisi bakhona and then nokuthi uyaqala ukuboshwa uyafika ejele kunalaba babizwa ukuthi abomalume ke uzofika athi ngibona ikhandelisha uyabona yazazokushela kodwa into emnandi ke ngejele labantu besifazane uyamtshela nje ukuthi angizenzi lezo zinto lezo then aphume kuyo then athumela umunye kanjalo nje but ke awforced awuphoqelelwa yabona akekho umuntu ozokubamba ngenkani noma uzothi mawulele ebusuku then
ube rape and all those things but okay
and then njengomuntu owalimala mawufika awukwazi ukulala ku down bed bakutshela ukuthi ugibela igaga awazi yini yona leyo nto leyo ugibela igaga bathi ukuthi uyaphezulu ukuthi
uzolala phezulu
yabo so nokuvuka ekseni impilo ongayijwayelanga uvuka ekseni ngabo 3 mile uyogeza uphinde ubuyele futhi ngoba 6 o'clock mabevula kumele kube seni ready senigqokile yabona nje lo life leyo nje kwakungekho kuhle namanje nokuthi mayicabanga into khona aku correct
so you survive your time ejele until wazwaphuma
yes
wasiqeda isigwebo sakho now usuphumile ke ejele I assume usena umsebenzi because usurignile
correct
unabo abantwana uyedwa intombazana okhuluma ngayo ubunayo umuzi ngaleso sikhathi ubunayo imoto
nginomuzi nginemoto ngiphila yazi like any other person onomsebenzi o stable especially working for a government so impilo yami nje iflow ngakwazi ukufundisa umntwana until tertiary level ubeseke iqhoba yena ke further but nje ngangiphila kahle than khona manje impilo sengiphila
so now usuyaphuma ke jele you're starting to lose izinto zakho. So now tell us ngokwempilo yakho ke usuphumile ejele now having to lose most of izinto zakho because wasasebenzi akusena salary engenayo isikhathi sambile impilo manje kumele iqale phansi. So where do you begin?
Ngaphuma ngabona ukuthi the best thing ukuthi ngiphile ekhaya.
Awuphinde futhi
Ngabona ukuthi into engcono nelula ukuthi ngibuyele ekhaya.
Yes.
Ngabuyele ekhaya.
Yeah.
So nasekhaya awukuhle uyadeleleka ukuthi ubunomuzi wakho. So uzoscrowd manje mina la nogogo. Ngidelelwa umntana kamfowethu. Owaphasa ngo-2008 akafundi akasebenzi. Waphasa waya eVets bamthatha eVets because wayephase kahle yena. Wahluleka eVets enzi engineer then waya eUJ wayenza ubudokotela bamthatha nakhona wahluleka futhi wafela. Ugcine seke ya eRoad Board college athi wenza electricity then ngaze ngasibona certificate or a grader ukuthi I know completely nasi certificate sakhe. So mogesho because of njengoba ngisho ukuthi impilo ayimnandanga kwakhona ekhaya njengoba sengiyadeleleka. Yes. So now into eyenzakalayo ukuthi ngelinye ilanga nje kwakusekuseni around ngabona ngiqeda ukuphuza itiye namakhekhe. So athi kimi anti izolo mawupheka awucimanga isitofu ku-main switch. Ngithi oh okay ya ucimile manje inkinga ikuphi? Yabo bese athi uthi inkinga ikuphi? What if singasha mina nogogo? Ngithi nishiswa yini? Uyasazi sona le stofu ukuthi safakwa nini ubani kanjani? Ngiyabona athi gogo yamuza ukuthi uthini? Ngithi vele inkinga ikuphi? So ngiyeza ne-tray le engiyiphethe bengiqeda ukuphuza ngayo itiye bengiyiphuzele kaMary. So ngithi suka ngifika athi angiyindawo. Ngithi awuyindawo khabobani ngoba kukithi la. Isuke lapho angiphushe ngithi ngimphendule ngithi wenzani? Yabo athi gogo yamuza ukuthi uthini? Ngithi vele kukithi la. Yabo angiphushe ngeze ngiluze ibalance njengoba ngisho ukuthi ngalimala ngo-2003. So mangiluze ibalance
so inyawo zakho ayisasebenzi kahle.
Asasebenzi and there's a certain asalingani futhi. There's a certain inches about Dr. Mabezisho like ubona mangihamba first or bangihlala isikhathi eside phansi mangisukuma ngithi yaha. So ngiluze ilentuzana like angiphusha ngishaye ngenqindi ebusweni. So ngiluze ibalance ngiweke. Then ngiye kumama ngithi
microphone.
Okay. Ngiye kumama ngithi yabona umzukulu wakho ukuthi wenzeni? Ngiyombophisa. Yabo ngihambe ngempela ngiye emaphoyiseni. While ngibhizi ngivula idocket lapha bangene hamba nayo. Mabengena athi ya lo makacimele case le shouting and screaming khona lapha e-charge office umama lo. Yena uthulile ugoqa izandla umeduzane kwakhe. Then athi lamaphoyisa labangibuzisisa uyalcima uyalstop icala. Ngithi no ngiyacontinue. Bathi amaphoyisa emdala lo muntu uyazi into ayenza. Then bathi uyalcima icala. Ngithi no ngiyaqhubeka ngicela. Athi then if that's the case naye umshayile ke bathi amaphoyisa nawe siyakuvalela ke. Ngithi no let the court decide ukuthi ubani or right no wrong. So if basho kanjalo kulungile then nami bangivalele ngabuyela eSun City futhi for the second time because ukungabe neqiniso likamama naye umzukulu. So akumnandanga nje ngihleli kabuhlungu.
So uthi wena uzobophisa umuntu okushayile okuhlukumezayo ekhaya kini. Ngifuna sihlehle nje kancane. So now uyaphuma ejele okokuqala usulahlekelwe into eziningi, you lost almost impilo yakho yonke. You go back ekhaya ngoba ufuna ukuqala impilo kabusha. Ufica undodana kamfweni ongasekho. Undodana ozalo mfweni uthi anti kwena, uthi gogo kuma wakho. Uyakabuse, uyakuhlukumeza, ukhala ngokuthi nje ubuyile la ekhaya uzoba crowder, ubuya la ubuya khona, impilo isikuhlulile, uzozala ekhaya. Uzoba phazamisa empilweni abayiphila nogogo. Ngalesikhathi nawe kugini. Emveni kwalokho uyakushaya. Uyahamba uyovula icase. Movula icase nabo bevula icase ukuthi umshayile. So on that same day.
Sorry. Yeah. And yena wayethulile umuntu wayekhuluma uma wami.
Okay.
Yena wayethulile egoqa izandla eduze kwakhe engafakazeli lokho akushoyo ukuthi yes ngempela uanti nami ngishayile. Umuntu okhulumayo ugogo and owayekhona yonke lento iqala. Ngokuthi I was being advised by a prosecutor ngoba ama case ethu angena emakhotha different. Mina ngisebhiyeni use-A nga-advisor i-prosecutor yase-A la a-attenda khona ukuthi umama kungamenzi i-witness yakho because of efunde i-statement. Yes, wathi ungamenzi witness, rather uzimele wena ngoba usesayidini lakhe. Yabona. So ngabonga for that advice ukuthi uzozimela uzikhulumele but ungamenzi yena ngoba lento yenzeke si3 endlini. Yabona.
So now that same day movula icala. Kwenzakalani?
Ngavula icala because of lento ayenzile.
Sengisho ukuthi what naboshwa same time no2.
Yes. Saya
wangena evenini.
No, angithi sise police station. Salala ngalala naye I assume ukuthi ngoba angithi sihlukene wesilisa mina ngapha wesana. I assume ukuthi naye walala khona la. So mina ngangiye police station ngoba ngangise ukuthi ngiyo register case and then ngibuyele ekhaya.
Yes.
So kwafika udadewethu ngiyabona umama wayesemtshelile ukuthi nayi into yenzekile. Manje fika ngiyacabanga ukuthi ngoba ngambona the following day sesiye court esekegqoke isilamba kanti the time ese police station wayefake ngicabanga ukuthi kwakuyiskipa wayengagqokanga into futhi. So mage fika udadewethu ufika the very same night la singse police station valele khona ngani afike athi uhamba nomunye ubhuti engingamazi yabo athi ucela ukuthi ngidrop case sikhulume lento njengomndeni yabona. Then lo bhuti lo aloka first ukuthi ya kusasa ngithi maye court niyobongelele manje uya withdraw case and then sizoyikhuluma nje. Ngithi ubani manje lo mbuzi udadewethu engimelama ngoba sesele sithu.
Yes.
Ngithi ubani manje lona sibani ngisho udadewethu athi make thuzama ukungichazisela athi hayi no it's fine sizoyikhuluma ungene. So angimazi namhlanje azangaze ngatshola ukuthi ubani lo wayengifostelela ukuthi mangi drop case uyabona. Then athi sizoyikhuluma njengomndeni ke ucela ukuthi ngidrop ay iqhubeke ngiyiswe lento zaneni siyiswe magistrate court road board. Then masifika khona lapho athi uma ngiyayidropa naye uzoyidropa yabo
undodana.
Yes yabo. So ngithi angidrop case iyaqhubeka then bese basisa mina bangese Sun City nabamose eKrugersdorp ngabafana
nabo. So awema usho ukuthi ma awidrop case ukuthi wena ma ungayidrop uyahamba vele uyovalela na?
Yes. I was fully aware because of bebe sengidilile when the investigating case ukuthi mawutha awidrop njengoba bethi mawidrop naye uzodrop. Then because ubhlungu ngimzulu bese ngithi let the law take its course because of akekho umuntu ozongilwela ngoba lento njengoba yenzekile ko possible ukuthi uzophinde yenzeke futhi. So ngithi umthetho makube uzovikela mina ngoba bangizothi ngiyidrop who knows ukuthi maybe after a week or 2 weeks uzoyiphinda le nto le. So no, ithi icala liqhubeke, and then kube i-court ezodecide ukuthi uba no right uba no wrong, yabo. So ihambe ke icase sibuye si-attende, then i-magistrate ngibuza ukuthi ngiyafuna ukwenza i-court order na, ngisho ukuthi ngiyafuna ukwenza i-court order. One of the things or two of the things engazimention
something
yabo,
ihlele ibukweni, okay,
yabo. Then ngisho ukuthi angangeni ekamereni leli engilala kulo, angangikhulumisi, angifuni nje anything ngihlanganisa naye. Yeah. So ngathi mangiphuma ke eSun City for the case.
Kasikhathi ngana eSun City manje for that
9 days.
9 days yo.
Yabo. So ngithe mangiphuma ngitshela umntanami ukuthi nakho into eyenzekile. So ngithi ngizo avoid ukusebenzisa izinto zabo because of ngiyabona ukuthi ngifela le plate lela, ngithi sengiyadeleleka, angisebenzi, angisenalutho. Yabo. So sengithathiswa nje wawumama kamkhuzi ukuthi wadelelwa antoko, wayikhuluma kanjena antoko. So ngitshela umntanami ke okay, ikhona imelo angifakele yona every month ukuthi ngikwazi ukuzithengela like izinto zokugeza, whatever engiyifunayo. So ngibona ukuthi ithi ngisebenzise le mali ukuthenga okwami ukudla ngoba kahle kahle ngifelele le plate leli lona elikhulunyelwayo
ukuthi manje ngazi ukuthi usuwondliwe yibona.
Yes. So ukuthi ngithe mangimuvela back to ekhaya, izinto zami from endlini, ezinye zisegarage, ezinye ziseromini kamfowethu lo owesibili, hayi ubaba wakho ungasekho naye. So ngiyayithenga igrocery ngibeke egarage khona lapho kulezo zinto zami, then amabhuti engiwasebenzisa ilawo waplakayo ngoba nasi istofu nganqoma ukuthi angisafuni ukusithinta ngokuthi ukhulumela izinto zakithi as if ezakubo umuzi kababa wakhe. Yabo. So ngadecide ukuthi nje angeke ngisebenzisa anything ezongenza ukuthi kube nokukhuluma phakathi.
So right now ulinda usuku lokho enkantolo futhi?
Yes. Nje court for ngokuthi basibuzile like ukuthi ngiyafuna ukuthola lawyer na for le ye protection order ngoba nayo le zirana concurrent ile ye protection order, and then kube ile criminal assault engimvuleleyo naye wangivuleli assault ukuthi ngimshaya. Yes. Plus naye wangenzela protection order. So le engi-23 kumele ukuthi ngiyokwenza i-affidavit according to bona ngoba babuzile ukuthi ngiyafuna ukuthola lawyer na before le yokugcina i-court date. Ngathi yes ngiyafuna, and then mangifika but angisebenza ngengikwazi ukubhadala lawyer. Then basinikeze ama-address ukuthi ama-lawyer wathola kuphi la kama-legal aid.
Yes.
Then mangiya kwi-legal aid bangitshela ukuthi no, bona bang-advise ukuthi I have to represent myself. Why? Because naye akana-lawyer, unless yena ene-lawyer, then the state bangakwazi ukuthi banginikeze i-lawyer. So in this case naye akana-lawyer, nami angina-lawyer, so I need ukuthi
represent.
Yes, naye uzis-represent. So ke ngase nginikezwa ke i-date yokuthi kumele ngiyelini kuyenza i-affidavit ukuthi what actually happened on that day. So nginabo bonke ubufakazi bokuthi ngalimala. I feel ukuthi uthatha advantage, it's worse, angisekho financially stable, ngiyadeleleka nje kuye, I'm no longer anybody, I'm nothing, yabo. And uthatha ne-advantage ukuthi ngalimala, yabo. And mangikhumbula kahle kwi-protection order yakhe izinto azibhala lapha ukuthi mina I was an officer, ngistrong, ngambamba ngamlalisa phansi because of being police. Ebona nje wonke lawo mangala, and kune proof, I've got documents from medical lentuzana report esho ukuthi ngalimala kanjani. So umuntu especially wesifazane omuscular njengaye owesilisa, no matter ngimdala kuyi nguantwakhe, but lawo mandla ukuthi ngimbambe ngiyenze lezi zinto athi ngazenza, bonisa khona ukuthi istory uyasicreate.
And now ufila ngathi ucindezela ngishaya uma wakho.
Yes, yabo usayida naye umzukulu wakhe. Umama wami ke from idala singatholani kahle, kube kwaba wes ukushona kababa 1995. Kula ubone khona ukuthi
ngithathe ngikuthi because lesifuna ukusala ebusweni.
okay, yabo. Ubaba washona 1995.
Yeah.
So ukhamba kababa ngafeel ukuthi as in okay ngisebenza eSanta Hospital as a clerk.
Yes.
Ukuthi as in this is too much because ubaba akasekho ezilile yena ke, so ngadecide ukuthi ithi ngizitholele indawo yami, move out. And I don't want to say unfortunately because of unyamthanda umntanami, then ngakhulela ngo-96.
Yes.
Ngakhulela indodakazi yami. Okay, wabona ukuthi sengikhulele, wathi hayi buye ekhaya, awukazi waba nomntwana, so ngcono ubuye ekhaya. So ngabuyela ekhaya, ngihlele ekhaya ke sisu sakhula, then ngiyamthola umntwana. Mangimthola umntwana kuningi manje okwenzeka. Ngimthola umntwana akhulele ekhaya, then kwenzeka ukuthi baba kashona ngo-2003 ngonyaka aqala ngayo isikole. So mina 2003 ngithola lengozi yemoto. Then the only thing that I had by then ngathi property or an assets, it was a bedroom. I mean nambe ngisaqeda ukuthola umsebenzi 2002 2003 sengithola ingozi yemoto. So udadewethu athi ukube ngabe bushonile kule ngozi le besizomnikeza yini into besizomnikeza ngoba busaqeda ukuthola umsebenzi, yini into besizomnikeza, kusho ukuthi besizomnikeza ibedroom lo ithengile alale nayo nabafana. Umntwana ona 7 years 2003 qala isikole, akhuluma amagama afana nalawo. Ingihete le nto leyo ukuthi how can out of everything uzocabangela umntwana emncane kanje qala isikole, uzothi ukube ngabe bengifile then bebezomnikeza ini ilento zami bedroom le. Ukuthi umama bekenamagama athi especially masiye eNatal akhuluma bethi hey wakhula, bambize ngegama wakhula Spanman, athi ya usekhulile uselingana nonina, ubiza isibongo sethu as if walala nobaba wakhe, ukuthi umntwana momthwele ungashada mela bize siphi isibongo ngoba vele mela bize isibongo sikamama wakhe. Kuningi nje ubuhlungu nje benzeke ekhaya kuwesi manje njengoba sengibuyile ke impilo engahambi kahle for mina, so it's like they are celebrating with my downfall. So njengoba ngisho nje ukuthi kuningi okwenzekile and engekho happy, ngihleli kithi ngathi ngihleli ngomuntu olukhuni, ngathi akukhona kithi. Esikhathini esiningi ngihlala ngisekamereni ngibhizi nge-laptop yami trying to do things, or ngibe busy nelinto zami nefoni yami, ngokuthi okay ngafaka i-Wi-Fi ngoba kunezinto engifuna ukuzenza through the internet. So umntana kule mali angifakela yona, then ngibhadale ngayo i-Wi-Fi naye akusimali etheni because of usanda kuthola umsebenzi
Yes.
ugrade last year for i-masters like ubhizi ne-PhD manje
Yes.
use-UCT so kuningi nje yabo.
But into enkulu kakhulu ekulethe lapha ukuthi at least abenzi ukulungiswa ngecala lokuqala
Yes.
elenza ngo-2006 ukuthi at least mangase kuthiwa bayalibuyekeza that criminal record ukusuka kwayo ungakwazi ukuthi uphinde uthole umsebenzi.
Correct.
But okukhulu kakhulu ukuthi icala ligcine ligweba lenze ukuthi uzugcina uresign emsebenzini
Yes.
okumsebenzi mhlawumbe ngabe namanje usasebenza kuwona.
Exactly.
So uyayifisa lo justice ukuthi at least uthole umsebenzi ubuyisele emsebenzini whoever ongaba namathuba emsebenzi akufonele ukwazi ukuthi uthole umsebenzi sebenza. But now umuntu ukufonela kanjani with this criminal record because eqinisweni ukuthi umuntu kuze ezokupha umsebenzi uyenze background check kuzofica ukuthi wakwaboshwa.
Yes.
And now sekunecala elisha le-assault nakhona elinganali iqiniso. So you want into ezikanjalo uthole justice kuzona ukuze uzokwazi ukuthi ubuyele empilo yakho. But before sifikeke lapho entweni obuyizela uyamention ukuthi nendodakazi and izinto azahambi kahle. Izinto mazingahambi kahle kanje namuphi undodakazi njengamanje if usiyasebenza akufanele ningabe mhlambe unayo space sakhe mhlambe nibambisene nempilo ukhona all the way because wamfundisa wamkhulisa and the main reason why sikhulisa ingane it's because sifisa ukuthi egcineni sibe usizwe empilweni yethu. With your age mhlambe ngabe usu close to ukuretire nasemsebenzini impilo yakho vele ngabe isithwisi ezandleni sakho yena ukubhekile. So how's the relationship kwenzakalana ukuphi njengamanje indodakazi because I can hear you mentioning ukuthi usafaka leyo madlana encane.
Indodakazi yami ya njengoba ngisho ukuthi last year bekenza i-masters ugrade ngoSeptember ngicabanga ukuthi kwakuyi2 ngaya khona eCape Town then wathola umsebenzi Department of Health under Pfizer. So wenza i-PhD. Then last year ube walotsholwa. So kule nyanga lengi5 ube shadi white wedding khona le eCape Town. Ushadele eCape Town afuna ukushadela ngapha. So wathi umembezi ke wona probably azowenzela ngapha but useCape Town and uhlala nomyeni wakhe khona ngale they are planning to purchase indlu khona ngale. So angisekho ngathi ngibona ngazuthi akasange involve kakhulu entweni zakhe njengoba nje
ukwangixoxela behind the scenes.
Yes. So kukho konke umuntu engibona ngazuthi usebaluleke kakhulu umama womyeni wakhe.
Yes.
Yabo kunezinto for instance ezenzekile that I feel ukuthi mina as a mother bekumele ukuthi ngabe ungitshelile. I remember nje evikini lomshado ngafonela yena umamezala wakhe ngathi yazini usathane uyathanda ukuthi makuzoba nento enhle
Yes.
afike amoshe izinto.
Yes.
So bengicela ukuthi sikhulekele umshado wabantwana ukuthi yonke into ihambe right. Yes, sifast not for isikhathi eside only for 3 days sikhuleke sibhayinde nje ubumnyama ukuthi uJehova uyahlasela. So savumelana ke okay then iphele lo 3 days le ngithe ngise lentuzaneni ngikhona le eCape Town naye khona uyangibuza mama ka eshigama lomntana uyazini ukuthi ucishe waba involved kwi-accident driving heavy vehicle kwaba nemoto efacea i-oncoming traffic she had to pull aside. Mina sangazangitshela into enkulu kangaka
Mntanakho.
yes and it was my idea because nami ngithe emkhulekeni yami ngafike ukuthi usathane makuza intenhle bese abantu bathi emshadweni kaSibanibanyana abantu balimala so ngithi si protect abantu abazosuka eindaweni zabo bezo attenda lo mshado lo noma sebebuyele emumva uNkulunkulu abavikele kungabi nezinto ukuthi emshadweni kaSibanibanyana kwayenzeka into kanje yabona lento leyo and ngempela uNkulunkulu wa protector before and after yabo azange kukho kubi okwenzeka so ibe yangiphatha kabi indaba yokuthi angangixoxeli ngiyemzala instead ayotshela umama kaMkhwenyana mina izinto sengizizwa ngayo but anyway ngasithulela na manje after beshadile mama kaMkhwenyana ufly back koyiMonday mina ngizobhekela emuva koyiTuesday
yes
so kuthi bona bahamba baya eMauritius Wednesday okay before that masifike Cape Town silale kuye usuku olulodwa nomamakhe so mamakhe wazana one of a high politician from the ANC so besizobe sikwi angazi noma bawabiza ama-penthouse le la bekade khona umuzi wakhe or it's an apartment so sikhona lapho sahlala lapho esibisileni lapho okay busebedala labantu laba
yes
and ngikhumbula masingena sihamba nayo mama kaMkhwenyana bathi why ngathi nje sisase akusazi kunegama nje kodalishilo but in my mind kwaba nalento ukuthi I'm still young kusho ukuthi bebebheke mhlawumbe umama omdala yabona so now babona probably ukuthi I'm young ukuthi maybe banga actor anyhow because of nama remarks izinto bebezikhuluma some of the things man besingangiphathi kahle and uyizwa ukuthi le iqonde kimi mara ngizithulele angazi noma mhlambe nami sengisensitive ngalolu hlobo ukuthi whatever umuntu ayikhulumayo mhlambe senyandekisisa yabona so sithe sise lento zaneni sikhona lapho then ubefona indodakazi yami afonele yena umama lo kaMkhwenyana so mina mangiza ngithi namhlanje uthi sizoyokwenza amazipho athi ayi bese ngazi ungitshelile yabona kusho ukuthi yonke into mina
usuyizwa after
seke xoxile yabo or sometimes early in the morning uzofonela yena so kimi nje ngazi ukuthi sekeyenza nje ukuthi sekegcina icala yabona kuthe noma I think bekuyi Monday no Sunday ukuthi ngimbuze ngimsendele iWhatsApp ukuthi ngizongpick up nini yabona because of umsebenzi usundlulile ngiyacabanga ukuthi ngabe senginawe ukuze ukuthi sibuyele emumva bese kufika idate ukuthi ngibuyele emumva wangitshela ukuthi no kusase naba friends abangani wakhe abakhona endlini yabo so angeke kwazi namhlanje okay then kwaba yiMonday ke umama kaMkhwenyana uyabuya yena kuyiMonday and then mina bengizobuya kuTuesday so Monday bas pick up again then sabuya then I think we hamba ngeflight yabo 3 yeah then bahamba thema bebuya lapho babuya bahlala nje akuthathanga ne10 minutes baphuma okay then mabephuma lapho kwaba I think babuye ngabo baphinde bangena ukuthi ukhohle iring yakhe uMkhwenyana akakajwayele iring baphinde babuye so ngithi kuye ngimsendele WhatsApp ukuthi kusasa ngiyahamba I thought ukuthi we'll spend a quality nyana time yabona as kusasa ngibuye yes yabona wathi I'm with my husband and it doesn't mean ukuthi I felt so bad ukuthi now ngazothi ungiremind ukuthi take it into consideration ukuthi now I belong kwenye family yabona, so ungangi-expect ukuthi ngizoba nawe anyhow or noma yinini yabona. Usehambile ke Monday umama kaMkhwenyana, mina ngihamba the following day Tuesday. So since behamba ke then mangiyapheka ke izinto zami engizozigqoka the following day mangihamba, mangithi I mean beku nabangani ba kaMkhwenyana, so I was expecting ukuthi they will change the bedding yabona. So mangithi ay shintsha ngithi angikwazi ukuthi ngalala lana yabona. Okay, before that kukuthi uthe ngeke akwazi ukupheka and then uzo order pizza. Really? Umama kobekezela umshado wakho yabona nje. So ngifila ukuthi naye ngazithi sekunobu neglecting nyana ukuthi angazi mhlawumbe ukuthi ke belonga kulesibongo, so I'm no longer important empilweni yakhe. I really don't know. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi mhlawumbe I feel with mhlawumbe nami sengi-too sensitive mara some of the things azingiphathi kahle. Then athi u-order ipizza. Because inhliziyo yami ebuhlungu, azange ngize ngidle kwaleyo pizza leyo. Bese ngithi kusanina I had ukuthi ngithathe ithawula ngilibeke esofeni, ngithathe umqamelo ngilale khona lapho ngoba angikwazi ukulala umjuluko kwabo kulala abanye abantu lapha. Then mangimfonela ke mbuzo ukuthi awushintshanga linini, athi kimi no bazobuya uzishintsha. I think babuye around 10 o'clock and then wayehla wazi umtshela ukuthi sekelungisile if ngingamind ngayolala ekamareni. Kwakuthi nami nje sengiact ngazuthi ngilele ukuthi ngimuzwa kahle loud and clear, but azange ngisafuna ukukhuphuka ngalala khona lapho. Then in the morning ngageza, then bangibizele Uber ngahamba ngabuyela eJoburg.
So now you feel like the person ongabe umngani wakho noma ngabe nisasondela naye umntana wakho, but it's not like that. You feel like uyamloser manje.
Uthole enyumara because zonke izinto eziningi azuthi uyamhawukisela lo mama, athi sengithole indodakazi engihleba nayo. You understand? I remember mangiphisiphisi ngelanga lomshado ngithi especially uNkulunkulu yengibusise ngomntana yedwa ntombazana, manje senginendodana mini uMkhwenyana.
Yes.
uNkulunkulu sekufana nokuthi abantwana ababili manje. Ngiyambonga kakhulu uNkulunkulu. Then ngithi ungiphe lo dadewethu okuwumlingani ngisho mama wakhe uMkhwenyana. Ngithi ngiyabonga kakhulu uNkulunkulu for the fruit of her womb. Ukuthi namhlanje senginomkhwenyana because of yena. Yabona ukuthi ukube ngabe bekengekho ngaba sangasabe khona umkhwenyana womntana. So still nalapho okay ngithe mangiqeda usho leso speech leso babukeke bejabulile abantwana bangihaga babonga hlala phansi. But nje umama unalento leyo ukuthi ngathi ufuna ukuthi abe above ukuthi mina mangilandele angali ngiyazi akasabelonge kimi umntanami sekubelonga kule family. But ngifeel ukuthi angazi noma ukunyatheka ukuthi mina mhlambe angazani nabantu abadumile osopolitiki or ukuthi anginamali because of angidrive the car like lezi zabo or le yakhe. Yabona ukuthi sekunokunyatheka nje ukuthi anyway ungasitshela nawe nalutho
mhlambe okunye kusemqondweni wakho okunye it's things that are really there uzibonayo but mhlambe azenze nge-bad intention. But the question ebengifisa ukuyibuza, do you feel like umhlaba is turning against you?
Kakhulu. It's like angikhuleka ngizolala. I was asking my God ukuthi why ungishiya. Yakwazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu ophile. Kodwa wayevumela lobuhlungu ukuthi benzeke kimi. Asangaze enjoy ukusebenzela masipala from the first year ngoba ngathatha ngo-2002.
2003 when a car accident.
Ngathola i-car accident. Bahlala isikhathi ngasebenzi. Then bangibuye emsebenzini kwaqala le issue. So azange kukho konke engik-obtainile then like bangizothenga umuzi le case besiyenzekile ngoba ngiyithengile ukuthi yonke into that I was doing, it was like I'm pushing ukuthi yazi no matter kunje kodwa impilo yami mayiqhubeke phambili yabo. So azange ngithola ukujabula ukuthi nginokuzibuza ukuthi uNkulunkulu usho ukuthi lo msebenzi wawubusisekile wawuphuma kuwe kodwa ngoba nje the first thing utholile lo msebenzi lo azange ngeze ngajabula ngalimala until kuze kufikelele la sengi-resigna ngoba sengiboshiwe nakhona, understand. So until manje ukujabula awukho. It's worse manje mawuzodelelwa umuntu ka-1990 obukade umgeza ongeke azamkhombe kwawumama kukhuliswe yithi. Kodwa namhlanje sengiyadeleleka because of anginamali, angisasebenzi, anginamuzi. So kunaleyo nto leyo nje ukuthi sinogogo kuzoba crowded kusho ukuthi noma ngabe bengithi manguvula ifridge bobona nje ukuthi kunalokho okudingeka lokho. So ingakho ngize ukuthi ngcono ngiyekele ukudla kwabo mangibe nokwami, but the fridge ngiyisebenzisayo in whatever ngiyithengile ngiyayifaka khona efridge abakaze ba-complain ukuthi.
So do you feel like ezinye zezizathu zokuthi uthi awuthanda ukuvela kwecamera because ubona ukuthi uzoqhubeka ukunyanseka even nakubantu ade mhlawumbe ade bekuhlonipha kancane, and even mhlawumbe nefamily yabo bamkhwenyana abazazi zonke lezi zinto obhekene nazo, they see uma wendodakazi, but once bakubona ukuthi umuntu onjani okanye kwenzakalana empilweni yakho, then i-disrespect izokhula kakhulu.
Yes. Na umphakathi wala ngikhulele khona like bebe ngazi ngokuthi ekhaya bekuyindlu enesithunzi ehloniphekile. So bebe ngazi ukuthi bangikhona bazobona maybe ngemoto, if ngize ngemoto semsebenzi, if ukuthi ngize ngemoto yami bazobona ngalokho ngibabingelele njengibuza impilo. So now mabezothola ukuthi kunezinto ezenzeka kanje kulela khaya ebelihlonipheke kangaka, especially ubaba wami saphila, then ngifeel ukuthi izohehla more i-dignity ngimi, yabo. Nokuthi futhi as umntanami eganile ukuthi now ukuthi she's all by herself akasena, understand. So nje those are the other reasons ezingenza ukuthi ngingathanda
ukuthi ifamily kaMkhwenyana bona banabantu abanezimoto, abazali bamkhwenyana ba-right,
very well educated,
and then ngapha uma kamakoti ne-criminal record, zonke lezi zinto lezi, and the dignity, something that you still holding of saying kuseseyimi lo ngisaphila, and no one should take that away from me. Engicabanga ukuthi ekukulaleni kwami into enkulu kakhulu ile yenzeke 2006.
Correct.
Ekutheni sidinga at least justice on that. So umuntu ongase kuthiwa ufisa ukuthi akusize, ufisa akusize kanjani, ngizulu mention indaba ukuthola umsebenzi, but ngisacela uzibalele wena izinto that you really need and you think abantu emakhaya bengakusiza khona ngakhona.
Okay. Okokuqala nje lecala leli elenzeka ngo-2006.
Yes.
Engifila ukuthi ubulungisa sangize ngibuthola njengoba bengichazile ela on ukuthi azange ngize ngitholakale nginale mali or ngaba recorded ngamakhamera. Lento ibuye kimi after mangingaphosisi 14 days ngingasazi nokuthi konje kunomuntu engambisa, ngiyabona kwaba na those verbal exchange between mina naye. Yilelo ukuthi ubulungiswa ngicela ukuthi ngathi ngingabuthola uma kukhona umuntu owaziyo about the law angisize. kulungisekela into le ngizoyekela ukuba ne-criminal record, and okwesibili ukuthola umsebenzi, because from my young age ngikhule ngizisebenzela njengoba ngisho ukuthi ngike ngasebenza ngasesanta.
Yes.
At the age of 23 njengoba bengithola umntwana bese ngizisebenzele ilife nje yokusebenzela ngikhule ngayo beyikimi until kube nalecala leli ngibona ukuthi ithi ngiresign because of second thing ngizoyenza sengiboshiwe ngini for icala engingalenzanga. So mangakwazi ukuthola umsebenzi kube khona ongakwazi ukungisiza ngaleli cala lelo kwesibili ukuthola umsebenzi. Lizo izinto kakhulu engicela usizo kuzo lezo, ngikwazi ukusebenza, ngikwazi ukumaintaina impilo yami njengoba nje uyayifaka nomntana akusimali etheni, but it's something engikwazi ukuthi ngikwazi and now it's worse because of ukugibela ngiye kulama court la. It's too much. Attenda lama case.
So nibathathu njengamanje ekhaya uhlala khona?
Yes.
Mangase talk show noma wakho do you think ungasurvive kulele ekhaya njengoba uzobususela nalomfana?
Ngithe bangikhuluma nomunye womphakathi around the area. And okwakuwumngani nobaba wathi siyakwazi thina ukuthi kukini la uwilasibona la ekhaya, yabona. But mina njengoba ngisho ngithi nasecourt masikhuluma ayi ukuthi angimfuni ukuthi abe khona, ngiyazi izinto zami, nginethemba lokuthi izinto zami zizolunga, ngizohamba. Ayi ukuthi mhlambe ngifuna ukuna la muzi, azange ngafuna ukuna mina, benginezinto zami mina. Impilo eshintsha isimo sami ukuthi kube the way kungakhona. So I remember nje yena ekhuluma naye kokakethi make banemali uzoyibuild, angazi ngani ngoba akaze asebenze kune 35, he's turning 35 this year, akaze asebenze. So athuzoyibuildiza yena ayiqalele phansi le ndlu le. So ngathi mangikhuluma naye wathi no awukwazi ukuthi ungasafara kini, yabo siwumphakathi wala sizokhulumela ukuthi thina. But into engiyibukayo ukuthi makungenzeka something ngoba namanje usengitolerate because of probably kukhona yena umama ngoba ngelilanga nginga approach nomama ukuthi uhlula yini ukuthi ukhuza umntanakho ukuthi ukhuluma kanjani no-aunt wakho, umreprimand wena lezogogo ngoba mina ayiseke into engifuna ukuyikhuluma naye. Ngangokuthi I'm sorry to say this, but ngicela ukusho ngendlela lo mntwana angidelele ngayo, I feel ukuthi nanoma ngabe kwenzakala ini angawu-attend umncebo wami. Nami ngokunjalo bangenzeka something while ngisahlala lapha ngiyophuma ngihambe ngize ngo-attend umncebo wami because of usaqhubeka ukuzibonisa ukuthi ungcono kunami. It's like masizohlangana ekitchen mhlambe ngiyaphuma yena uyangena, mele kunciphe mina kithi, akanginikezi leyo respect ukuthi ungu-aunt wakhe, you understand. But the time sasebenza ungu-aunt ongaconsi phansi. So manje njengoba nje impilo seyishintshile, then usengithathisa angazi okwani yabo. So angimdingi empilweni yami, angimdingi.
Don't you think into enza ukuthi indodakazi ahambe ngabe sabheke emuva mhlawumbe umshado was one of the things ezimnyantulule kuleli ikhaya lenkinga?
Correct, ngicabanga lokho
ukuthi naye umntwana the main reason why I say Cape Town and defuna ukuthenga umuzi eCape Town because she's trying to run away from leli ikhaya lakini.
Yes, ngoba ngikhumbula nje sikhuluma naye ethi mama angikujaji, yes kwenzekile lokho kwenzekile, but uyabona ukuthi sesikuphi namhlanje, yabona. So I've got no control over whatever yenzekile, yabona, especially izinto esifaka umthetho phakathi. Nobody knows ukuthi make phuma la namhlanje kungenzakalani or kungathiwa wenzeni then umthetho uthathe indawo yawo then ukuthi uyahluleka nawe ukuprova ngempela ukuthi lento awuyenzanga then baningi abantu ababoshiwe baboshela izinto abangazenzanga mawuzwa bekhuluma lapha ukuthi lo muntu lento akayenzanga ngempela but uhluleke ukuprove court then wagcina sekeboshwa so into kanjalo so ngiyabona naye ukuthi indlela
abaleka ngayo akafuna ukuthi abe ne freedom yakhe.
Yes.
Do you blame her for that?
I am blame but I am blame.
But it's sad because ukuzirescue kwakhe kuqhelise kuwena.
Yes, correct. No.
That's why kuhlungu.
Yeah. Ngokuthi nami okunye kwakhona ngiprefer ukuthi ngingakukhulumi ngoba
ngathi umdonsele emuva ngathi uyiseki ngathi uya this bitter mama yonke lonto la.
So prefer ukuthi makudle mina ngelinye ilanga lento engidlayo izondlule it's just the phase, it will pass. Yabo. It's just the phase.
Do you think at some point you facing all these demons somehow it affects you mentally? Are you still okay in terms of your mental health?
No, I'm still fine with that ukuthi nje nokubanga kakhulu into engishiso leyo like nokwenza nokubona ukuthi ukubona wenza iti then ulbe lapho ukuthi lisashisa mhlawumbe ukuthi uzophuza uthola ukuthi by the time ngikhumbula ukuthi konje bengenza iti seliyabanda ukuthi kudala lihleli umqondo wami busamwe ngicabanga ngokunye ukuthi nje I'm far away ukuthi mangikhumbula ngithola ukuthi seliyabanda ukuthi silize lentuzana phezulu ukuthi kudala lihleli so ngibona ukuthi
this is affecting you
kakhulu mentally ngicabanga kakhulu and nokulala yazi bukuziphilela ukhona ukwenza izinto ngesikhathi sakho ngendlela yakho like mawukuthi you feel like driving ubuye eNatal akunamuntu ozombuza or uzocela ipermission uyazi ukuthi unawo ama savings then uzihambele the next thing manje sozolindela imali azoyifaka khona angitshela ukuthi mama anginayo wena lezo zinto lezangifuni kuba ngazuthi ngathi ngangimfundisela ukuthi mhlambe ngifuna ukuthi angibhadale understand kwakuyi responsibility yami okay mina into engayenza ngabhadalela le degree then lamanye uzenzele yena ukuthi it's out of imali yakhe but angifuni ukuthi kube ngazuthi manje sengimthalisa umthwalo wami nginalento le ukuthi mangathola umsebenzi ngikwazi ukuzisebenzela ngikwazi ukubuild impilo yami kabusha kulungile I'm starting from scratch from nothing namhlanje but ngisase nenkolelo yokuthi still izinto zisangaba right
uthola yakho
akholwa
do you think this is man made or it's part of iplan kaNkulunkulu
uthi izindlela zikaNkulunkulu ngeke siz-understand thina abantu. I've never thought ukuthi ngelinye ilanga ngizobe ngihlale kanje in a podcast discussing impilo yami. No matter sengibuya khona bengithi mangicabanga ngithi no not this but ngibonile ukuthi ukuthula kwami lento yangidla. Rather ngiyishare nabantu abafana nawe ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthola usizo because of akekho omunye umuntu engakwazi ukukhuluma naye it was within the family yabona so ingakho nje decide ukuthi kube kanje.
So do you think ngesandla somuntu or this is intando kaNkulunkulu?
But angazi ngifuna ukuphosisa because uNkulunkulu bayaye bathi I'm still new ekholweni angisukuthi mhlambe ngazi konke yes so bayaye bathi uNkulunkulu akathandi ukusibona safari or ukuzwisa ubuhlungu.
Yes.
So ngangokuthi ngiyacabanga ukuthi akuyona but ke izindlela zikaNkulunkulu angeke uzazi uma ufuna ukuthi ngifunde okuthile uNkulunkulu uyaye enza okuthile emntwini especially okubhlungu kanti kula seyezozibona yelisokukhulu bakhe out of that pain eyenzeke kulo muntu lo. So ngingazi futhi ukuthi indlela kaNkulunkulu or kuyisandla somuntu njengoba ngisho ukuthi azange enjoy ukusebenzela umasipala 2002 ngekade 2003 sengivelela yilesigigaba lezi yabo sengibuya 2006 sekwenzeka lento le. So sekuyinkani nje nokuthi ngiyaya phambili ukuthi manguthenga umuzi nometha ngibhekane nesimo sikanje mangibe nemoto endle yabona lezo zinto le mangimfundisa umntwana nometha kubhlungu ukuphila unesazelo sokuthi konje wena kunale cala obhekane nalo yabona. So mawuzwa and babengangichargeanga mina ngebribery babe ilento zeni charge khona icorruption yabona kwangasi bribery. So it was corruption. So nje as if ngithwele ngacorrupt ngathatha ama million or ama yabona. So
yeah, it's sad siswa ngifuna uqamba manga. It's sad kakhulu. But I hope and I believe ukuthi abantu ekhaba sizwile udaba lwakho. We'll grant that we'll try ukuthi si fihla identity yakho, but ngaphezulu kuba si fihla identity yakho we cannot hide away from ekutheni sithola usizo. Ekutheni we'll need to share your number. Mhlambe somehow ukhona umuntu ozofona and siyacela kubantu basemakhaya ukuthi befone bekubhalele umuntu ongaba nosizo, usizo lomsebenzi, usizo lokuthi ukwazi ukuphuma kule situation okuyona ekhaya, ukwazi uqala impilo yakho. Even if ukhona umuntu othi yena unenkampani engaqasha with that criminal record, it's okay, singakujabulela kakhulu lokho. If ekhona umuntu othi yena ngakwazi ukuthi ayilungise lento, uthola ubulungiso from ekubosheni kwakho, uboshela into ongayazi, singakucela lokho. So mhlambe ukushiya number yakho kungaba ioption engcono, because bese singafihleli ukuthi mhlambe ngoba siqamba amanga nje basikhuluma bese protect undodakazi siphinde siprotect nesithunzi sakhe emphakathini kanye nabantu abazikini. But bese singaviki kutheni abantu bengazi ukuthi ube kubani lo bekhuluma egcineni obefisa ukusiza uzokufonela kuthola. I don't think khona umuntu that will just go around and ngifuna ukubona ukuthi ube kubani lo uthi ngimfonele. I think a person ozothatha number yakho umuntu who's willing to help. So I would like you to share number yakho and ngingathanda ukuthi nami ngiqinisekise kubabukeli bethu emakhaya. I called some few contact and people that I know engibaziyo from esidini lomthetho to say that maybe abanolwazi oluthile ngalo to say abazama ukuthi besincede in moving this case and liphindele emumva futhi liyothethwa kabusha. We still in that process hoping ukuthi very soon mhlambe soba na ama results angcono. But makukhona umunye umuntu that is willing ukuthi asilekelele or even if to mail you can just come forward ubhalele usisi sikwazi ukuthi sisizakale. So ngicela ukuthi ubize number yakho so that bezokwazi ukuthola abantu abangathwabeza nosizo.
Okay, is 084 713 0981 084 713 0981.
Mhlambe elakho lokugcina usuvala ukulokha inkulumo yethu lingathini nje. Kubhlungu into eyenzeka la eMzansi.
Yes. Especially if you're working for a government, yes, or even if you are not a government employee, because of naba ngizokwenza example ngalaba but abaseceleni likasenzo. So ukuthi mawusebenzela ugovernment and bese utholakala ukuthi bathi unecala ongalenzanga, then uyohlala ejele for into ongayenzanga. Ku right if ukuthi into yakhona uyenzile ukuthi kumele uyobhekana naleso simo leso ukuthi vele uyenzile lento le. But in a case like ukuthi awuyenzanga lento le ujezela into ongayenzanga ebhlungu kakhulu. Yabo njengoba nje ngicela ukuthi mabangisize abaziyo ngomthetho ukuthi please mabangilwe badwele lempilo engibhekane nayo isuke le criminal record in my name.
Siyabonga kakhulu kubabukeli bethu emakhaya. Siyacela kakhulu ukuthi ningenelele kule situation niphinde futhi nifake isandla la ngingakufanele sifaka khona ngiyazithanda kaze nihluleke. This thing is totally different from into nezivame ukubhekana nazo empilweni zethu. But siyacela ingane zakwethu ukuthi nenze indlela ekutheni nilekelele la ngakwazi ukuthi nilekelele khona usisakwazi ukuthola umsebenzi akwazi ukuthi kuphinda athola ubulungiswa whoever mhlawumbe ungaba nolwazi noma ungaba nosizo engasithinda nje bese ishila number yakhe. But at the same time nina number yethu ka 075 you can ngasibhalela kulo number yethu or ubhale kuma comment. I'll read ama comment and see ukuthi athina ama advices zenu and lithi mhlawumbe isixazululo ngathi wasiza naso. Siyabonga kakhulu nisale kahle nibe nobusuku obuhle.